Hello, Putri. Thank you for joining us today for this interview. We're excited to learn about more about you and your qualifications for this job position.
Okay, thank you for uh your thing for me.
Okay, can you tell us something about yourself that others may be surprised to know about you?
I think what might surprise the others about me is that I have been teaching children's science. I graduated from high school.
And what are your main strengths?
My main strengths are loyalty and providing comfort. I guarantee or I will be comfort when I begin interacting with new people.
What are your weaknesses? Or you mentioned it.
My weakness is that I'm not very detail oriented. Therefore, I have come up with a solution to write down all my vision, my mission, and all my schedules. And then I mention my weakness early on so that people around me can help remind me and not feel disadvantage when I do it.
Okay, so why do you want this job or career?
Okay.
Why do you want this job or career?
Okay, I want this career because it allows me to develop my knowledge and I feel very sweet for this job. Additionally, I possess several criteria you recruitment, which is why I believe you should choose me for this position.
And why should we choose you for this job?
I think I can several criteria from your recruitment.
What is your previous experience, like organization, voluntary works, committee, and where and when was that?
My previous organization experience include being part of the language department at my boarding school during high school. However, I was not just to discipline daily language my juniors. I also had to embrace and discipline my juniors without judge them, which left a significant impression on me.
What would you like to be in your career 5 years from now?
Uh, really, I don't have a specific desired position because I think I believe that wherever we are, we must or I must strive to be beneficial and useful.
What are professional achievements or success story that you're most proud of and why?
My my proud achievement is being able to teach children after high school and finance my own studies in university. I am proud of this because not everyone in this world can capable of achieve this, and I believe God chose me for this journey. I will not disappoint him with this opportunity.
Tell us your biggest failure that you've done and how you gone through it.
My story's biggest is if I angry, I'm very so difficult to uh to to danger this angry, and then if I angry, I can to angry to the other people who's no do the do the badness to me.
Okay, and how would you describe your own working style?
My working style is very efficient and precise. I ensure all my texts are complete and well. And then, and if I find the what's the notes or the badness from my text is I evaluation and improve them.
So, what one skill would you like to improve, and what's your plan for doing so?
I think I'm tenacious and ambitious about things I'm like it. If I have free time, I do my activity what I like, and then I enjoy try the new thing without neglecting my interests.
And if there were something in your past you were able to go back and do differently, what would that be?
Okay, I don't feel uh I don't feel no to the need of change anything in my past because my focus is on the present and the future. I strive to maintain what is already good and continuous improve what is the badness from my past.
And tell us about a time you had a difficult working condition or relationship with a college, and what's the challenge and how you overcome it?
Okay, the most challenging work relationship I have had involved fully trusting to a college who then behave without boundary. I address this is building relationship with professional and then avoiding sharing and then I don't want to sharing to the college about my personal matters.
Okay, and now tell us about how you spend your leisure time and why you choose that activities.
Okay, in my spare time, I watch film and then so many videos on TikTok. Given the advancement of technology, I cannot avoid it. I use it to watch film and to watch video and observe life values, and then I can learn from films and videos that.
Okay, last question. How would your friends describe you?
Okay, thank you for the last question from me. I think my friend, and then I have asked to my friends about this, and then my friend describe me is loyal and good listener because if my friend to talking or to story about them about their life, I can or I to be enjoy listen of their story.
Okay, thank you again, Putri, for taking the time to interview with us today. We appreciate you sharing your experiences and qualification. We will be in touch within this number and regarding the next step in the hiring process.
Okay, thank you for the time and this opportunity for me. I think won't say sorry if I have the mistake from my speaking or for my language. Thank you very much.